Hello guys, welcome to this video. And in this video we're talking about Fiverr jobs for beginners. Fiverr jobs for beginners. Now, if you're a beginner and you're new on Fiverr and you're looking for type of gig you want to start with, or what is the thing you need to start up with as a beginner, now this is just one of those gigs. Like if you don't have any experience, you can do a search for social media post creation. As you can see, I've searched for social media. I've did a search for social media post creation. These are the results I got. Sorry about that. These are the results I got. This is 17 results, 7,000, so 170,000 results. And these, as you can see, these are all the people offering this gig. As you can see, this person has sold 417, this one has sold 1k plus, 1k plus, and just like that 632. So let's check the real sellers. Let's check this guy out. Let's see what he's doing. Now you can see he said he'll create social media posts and make video. His boutique is for $10, his standard is for 20, and his premium is for $40. So that's that. And you can see this is just something you can come in here, you can just copy what he's doing and follow up, and then you create your own gig. And so these are just gigs you can start with as a beginner on Fiverr. They are not that, it doesn't need any experience, it doesn't need any you can this is just like a Fiverr gig, Fiverr jobs for beginners without experience. So if you don't have any experience, this is what you can do. And now the second gig I want to talk about is voiceover. It's voiceover. You can do voiceovers on Fiverr, and you can see just 24,000 people. Sorry about that. As you can see, just for 24,000 people are offering this gig, and you can see this person is Fiverr choice, and that's this other person here is here. So $20, $45 per gig. So like this one has done more sales. Let's see the person has more sales. So as you can see, he said he will record the best voiceover for you in many states. And one of the sweet thing about this very gig is this: you don't need any fancy computer, you don't need any fancy stuff. You can do this on your mobile phone, either your Android phone or your Apple phone, and then you can get gigs. Now you can just do the voiceover. You can open the recorder on your phone and you record some voice, and then you get it going. So that's the beautiful thing about this gig. It doesn't require too much sorry about that. It doesn't require too much of experience. So you can easily record that on your phone. Like I'm doing this on my Android phone now, and if I go to my phone, you can see that there's, I think, a sound recorder somewhere. This is a sound recorder on my phone. So this is what it looks like. So if I want to record something, I can just come in here and say, okay, I can't do that because I'm recording on my phone now, so it won't work. So you can just come in here and do this on your phone. Once the recorder starts working, you can easily record on your phone. So let's go back to where we were. So you can just, all you do is you can come down to this very place here, and then check out this guy's gig. Copy his about gig, about a gig. The words here, it's about gig. Copy them and then write them in your own words, and then use it to create your own gig. And once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is you want to go down to Facebook. You can come down to Facebook, and then you can just come into Facebook, and you can come into Facebook. Let's go to Facebook. You can come into Facebook, go to Facebook groups. From there, you'll be able to get people that will From there you can easily get, you can search for um, sorry about that. No, I don't want to create a post. I want search. I want to do a search uh, for uh, do a search for video. No, do a search for um, um, media. For media, and let's see. So these are medias. So if you search and you check for groups, you see media activist group. These are groups. You can just do a search for any one of them, and then you can start posting on all these groups. So you could go into something like music or what. You could do music, music, music. Go there. Check. So all music promotions. So hip hop artists, share your music and all that. So these are what you can search for. You can search for several groups. You can search for dating groups. And click on groups. As you can see, these are all the groups, dating groups in USA, dating international sites. So you can search for dating. Let's do a search for dating websites. Dating websites. And you're gonna see what we're gonna get. Dating website. Let's go to groups. So you can see dating in USA, dating websites to foreign, you know, US dating websites. Thank you, post today. Look for, if you want to post on any Facebook group, please ensure that the website is active. Like there are people posting every day on the group. Like this group now, dating UK dating site, they have 10 plus posts per day. This other group also has 10 plus per day. And check the numbers also, the members, number of members. This has 422, so it's supposed to have 65k. So these are groups you want to join, like this 420, because why? Once you join, you're sure that you have a lot of people viewing your gig, that will view your gig link and you'll be sharing on the platform. So for those that need your service, they're going to contact you. So you can do a search for almost anything here, and then you'll find the groups, and then you can join and then log in to those groups. So that's how this thing works. It's not hard. It's not hard at all. Okay, so that will be that for this very video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye now.